believe in a lot of service to the humanity. They believe that God resides in the heart of every human being. So rather than searching for Him anywhere, we just provide our services, we just give ourselves in the service of other humans. That's how Sikhism works. Every Gurudwara has this community kitchen where thousands and thousands are fed voluntarily without a single rupee, irrespective of what caste, creed, culture, religion you belong to. So you can just come and partake free food, and that goes on 365 days a year, 3 times a day for free. Okay, so we are having rabri jalebi. Rabris are something called, they look like pretzel, deep fried, made of corn flour and wheat flour, and then they are put into these, weird combinations, and then they're deep fried into, and then put into sugar syrup. To cut down on the maximum of that sugar, you have rabri with it, which is made of milk, burnt for a very long time till it gets this really creamy and cheesy flavor to it. So we're gonna have, this is our first dish.
Okay, first, number 1.
There must be a smaller.
There we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Taste of.
It's like cook sisters.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna have parathas, and I'm gonna tell you what's on your plate. So that's tamarind and bananas.
Okay.
That's potato and peas, a typical curry. That's yogurt and mint.
Yogurt and milk.
That's pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Yes.
I love pumpkin.
That's my favorite on the plate. That's potatoes again in a gravy form. That's pickles, very different from your American pickle. And that's paratha. The one you are having is cashews.
Okay. Do you eat the paratha with
the curries? Yes,
break it
yes.
open.
You just break it open so that the steam can come out, and then you just dip it in different curries. So it must be hard. You just use your spoon, why don't you? Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Nice?
Good.
Yeah, that's very good. I like the sweetness of the pumpkin.
Okay, what's this?
This is dhai balla. Okay, this is made of lentil balls. So lentils is soaked overnight, and then it's grinded, and then it's made into balls, a paste, and then that balls are fried and then deep soaked into water overnight. So it's a long process, and then it's actually soaked into yogurt till it get all fluffy, and then along with yogurt this tamarind sauce is given. So that's that for you. And this we are having aloo chikki. So this is fried potatoes along with lentils, given with green chutney and tamarind sauce. One of the most famous street foods here.
Very refreshing. Like yogurt. You just taste the yogurt.
Yeah.
Taste some of it. But yeah, it is very refreshing.
I'm nervous.
Again.
Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Like it's not bad. That's not bad at all.
But it's
I bet these are bad.
We're actually going to the other end of the road now. So we are having rabdi faluda. Okay, it's a very interesting dish. It's noodles. It's actually
It
noodles.
looks alive.
It's actually noodles along with rabdi. So you had rabdi before.
Yeah.
It's again mixed with and crushed ice. So that's no flavored noodles along with rabdi, which is made of milk again. A lot of pistachios, cashews and almonds in there, and crushed ice. So that's like a sweet dish. It's a Persian dish which got famous back in the Mughal era. So yeah, there you got it.
Okay.
How is it?
I don't like it. Okay, your turn. You can't be scared.
The maximum that's going to happen. He doesn't like it either.
It's like the texture.
Yeah, I can't.
It's just the texture. It's honestly, it's just the
taste
texture.
is fine.
Very, very authentic. So you're gonna have samosas and kachoris. So kachoris are again made of wheat, and inside there is a filling of peas. Yes, mixed with a lot of spices, and then they're deep fried, and you get served with spicy potato curry. And you have samosa, of course, which is made of bread, and inside there's a filling of potatoes, and you get served with again green chutney. So we are gonna have that.
So I don't mess on myself.
You're not gonna. Nice.
Very good. Yes, that's very, very good.
How are it? Good? So you just dip it in the sauce as far as you can go. Yeah.
It's different from the
Just
potato
dip it.
curry.
Yes. Good.
It's very good. So good.
It's so good. Wow.
Aloo chaat. Number, I forgot the number.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Good. I like the crunch. Little crunch, chutney. It has
Spices.
the acidity again, like
Yes.
the
Aloo chikki. Yes. Yes. That's
Okay.
because of the green chutney. The acidity is there.
It's so crunchy.
Yes. This is a whole new level of fruit chaat that you will not get anywhere in the country or in 7 continents. Okay. This is known as kulia chaat. So there are variety of fruits and vegetables cut in shape of cups, and then there's and there's like at least 8 spices that have been used, and then there's a lot of lemon in it, and they have to marinate. They have chickpeas and pomegranate.
I can see the pomegranate.
So you have to pick one and just take it as a shot.
I want the banana. Is that banana?
So there's
Yeah.
mango,
You want the
watermelon.
banana?
Yeah, I want the banana.
This is mango, watermelon, tomato, cucumber, pineapple, banana.
Okay.
Yeah, so you just like go for it.
Just go
One
for it.
bite.
In one go.
So many flavors. It's so strong.
Are you struggling? Is it strong?
Is your mouth must have settled down back.
Mouth? How good?
I love it.
I'll eat the banana.
Big courtyard and there, one of the gates. So people live there. Indian ice cream, which is known as kulfi, and we are having the flavor for mango. So we are having aam kulfi, and this place has been here for since 1906, and the place has over 70 flavors to offer you. They still make it very traditionally, and as you can see, Nanak is enjoying a lot. How is
Yeah,
it?
it's so good.
Mango kulfi for the win.